Hello everyone, welcome back to another technical video tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how you can fix this audio issue. So currently if I play any video or any audio, you see instantly it is stopped because there is no output device that we can increase the audio. So even though I have unmute from my keyboard, still I try to increase the volume level, it doesn't work. So probably you have already did some kind of troubleshooting from device manager and then from audio device, installing or updating some things, disable and enabling some kind of device things which sometimes help but sometimes it doesn't help. So if it helps then it's fine. So now let's proceed. Probably from some kind of documentation or YouTube video, people sometimes shows that. So from the services, if you open the services and there is Windows audio, it's already running and automatic, it's fine, but still you see it's disabled. So people will say stop, restart, this kind of thing. So now I will not do anything, otherwise my audio will be muted. So you can just try to stop and then start again in your case. So if even if it doesn't work, and then you can look into the third solution. So from sound settings you have to click from this button and then open the sound settings. From sound settings there is all sound devices. You have to click here and see the speaker driver is disabled here. So you have to enable this, you have to allow this. So if you allow this, see the button is now enabled, and if you play music you will hear it. And this is how you can solve the audio issue. So sometimes the installing Windows doesn't fix it, but you have to enable it from here. So it's from I showed it from Windows 11, maybe from Windows 10 you will find it, I think. And so that's all from my side, and see you with in another technical video tutorial.